Short videos are everywhere, and they're quietly rewiring your brain. Every swipe, every 15-second clip triggers a dopamine spike. Your brain gets flooded with rapid rewards, training it to crave constant novelty, faster and faster. At first, it feels harmless, just entertainment. Just a quick break, but something deeper is happening. Neurons begin firing at unnatural speed. Your brain starts adapting to constant stimulation. Attention fragments. Focus begins to shrink. And before you even realize it, you can't sit still. You can't concentrate. You can't even finish a single thought. Now imagine what's happening inside your mind. Signals are colliding. Memories are overlapping. Important information gets mixed with useless noise. Everything becomes chaotic. Your brain is trying to keep up, but it can't. System starts to glitch. Neural pathways overload. A circuit pushed far beyond its limits. Stress signals increase. Mental fatigue builds up. And slowly, your brain begins to burn out. This isn't just distraction anymore. This is cognitive overload. Here's the truth. You can stop it. You don't need to quit everything. Just need to take control. Start simple. Set a timer. 30 minutes. Put the phone away. Your brain something it rarely gets anymore. Silence. First it feels uncomfortable. Urge to scroll is still there. Mind keeps reaching for stimulation. If you resist, and for a moment, something powerful begins to happen. Chaos starts to fade. Noise begins to disappear. Brain slows down. It resets. It reorganizes itself. Pathways calm. Signals become clear again. Clarity returns. Your thoughts sharpen. Focus deepens. Finally stay present. Distraction, effort. And in that moment, realize something important. Were never the problem. Constant stimulation was. Short videos unlock something powerful. Breakable focus.